The housing industry represents one of the main drivers in Mexico's economic, social, and environmental development. Investment in home building promotes job creation, while also benefiting other peripheral construction-related industries. Furthermore, Mexico's home builders are reducing the national housing deficit by providing millions of Mexicans an opportunity to access better living spaces and services. Today, the priority is to promote sustainable housing through an improved use of natural resources, offering Mexican families greater added value while taking their economic situation into consideration. Mexico is currently experiencing a significant deficit in low-income and affordable homes, a situation that the government has identified as a priority, facilitated by Mexico's housing institutions and a world-class mortgage structure. At Corporación GEO, we have successfully implemented a strategy focused on low-income segments, consolidating our leadership position in the Mexican housing industry by creating sustainable communities that provide a higher quality of life for our customers. In recent years, our company has actively promoted research and development in construction processes, aimed at increasing production capacity and profitability by lowering construction time and cost. As a result, we have successfully industrialized the construction process through the Alpha project, which uses a prefabricated technology that has been used successfully worldwide to build large-scale homes, industrial units, hotels, hospitals, schools, parking buildings, shopping malls, and stadiums. The Alpha project was created to improve the company's production capacity. GEO has Alpha projects in 4 Mexican states, including Estado de Mexico, Baja California, Jalisco, and Nuevo León, and is expanding into other regions. Each Alpha project size and automation level is determined by a given region's specific needs, always ensuring the same consistently high-quality standards at the lowest possible initial investment. Alpha plants use several independent sub-assembly lines, which converge into the main production line called a carousel. The process begins when the given home's required specifications are established within the initial design program. At this point, the amount of materials needed is determined, as well as the timing, costs, shifts, and storage of the finished product. The construction of each concrete element follows 6 basic steps. Creating the cast. The steel borders are established using a magnet system and panel dimensions are defined. Placement of installations. In this process, electrical and plumbing installations are inserted. Concrete placement. The defined amount and type of quality and durability tested concrete is poured into the structure. Polishing. Through the polishing process, each piece of concrete will be given its own distinctive finish. Curing. During this step, concrete panel hardening is accelerated in specially designed chambers. And finally, storage. The finished pieces are labeled and stored, ready to be transported to the developments. In order to begin the mounting process, the developments will first need foundations. For this, each panel has been previously identified to follow a specific sequence in the mounting process. With the help of a team of workers and a crane operator, a house can be assembled in less time compared to traditional construction methods. Therefore, one of the main benefits of the Alpha system is the reduction in construction time, which also reduces working capital requirements. After the walls, pre-slabs, and compression layer have been placed, a filling fluid is applied to create sloped ceilings that will support storm drainage. The house is then sealed with a high-resistance waterproof coating, followed by the mounting of corbels, frames, and/or balconies, depending on the parameters of a given project. Tiles, ironwork, heaters, and bathroom fixtures are then installed. Electrical installations are completed, and the finished property is thoroughly cleaned. It is important to mention that after the first floor has been completed, finishing touches can simultaneously begin on the lower level. This again allows a considerable reduction in construction time. By implementing this cutting-edge technology, we are able to be tremendously flexible in producing many different kinds of concrete panels, which will increase operational profitability and ensure the company's continued growth.